Negasngi ka wika karkhana chna sarok na nongba New Delhi ka Verma Industries da pyrchang ka wopen chna dewa pendap yegithlu potholes wa hagi sarong dewa pen kam da psiang pot sil ha bynta yong usarok hajan madandai masilat thalabo Jowai. Hagani gasngi da wan sakilang le da kisaheb na kisnat kre kam yong ka PWD. Haya kelam wa wara prasad senior product manager kani ka karkhana da pentip uwa ka Verma Industries to ko wada timit da ka sarkar jala Meghalaya lengba ka chnat PWD ko wadai psiang chagani ka chnat krekam da khana wa psiang pot sil to I wada dadep khleh chwa I wasuk wa pendap yekithlu hagi sarong wa ini psiang to I wada mangker pang ya ka Meghalaya ka wajur uslap wa kejam Cho da ongu wa idor yung ipot sil to iwa to odor na ibaha kam bru wa kre kam ju le gitiar wa kikor wa he wa ini to kat kam ka SOR schedule of rate ka chnat PWD wa mukta iya karam aw kam ju le man iwa ne islam ini ipsiang pot sil ye uyo ha ka churia wa khia arpausan kilo wa idor man isan spa san phau chi churia wa ye ini ipsiang ye le open kam da gibru semen hagi thau yong semen Hejo ipor da ongu wa ne to aman I open yu nong muna don hi without terwale ye ini ipsiang ya ka sarkar Meghalaya kamale chikiwi ki jilla.
Hello, my name is Varaprasad. We are from Verma Industries and we are approved in Meghalaya PWD department for supply of bitumen emulsions and various road products. Today we would like to thank PWD Jowai for giving us such a great opportunity to demonstrate our product. This is very unique product. See, we know what potholes can do damage to the lives of people. See, the potholes have been cause of many fatality deaths in India of lately. So this product, as you can see, we have already demonstrated 2 potholes. This is a 25 kgs bag which has aggregate and bitumen mixed in it. So to put that in a simpler way, it is a premix material. So what you need to do is just wherever you find a pothole, you just need to clean the pothole and you have to cut the bag and pour the material in the pothole. It is as simple as that. As the media has already recorded the videos, as we have filled the 2 potholes within like in 15 minutes span of time, and the best part about this is we don't require any other machinery like rollers or heating. There's no need of heating. There is no need of road rollers. There is any need of heavy equipment. We don't need even skilled labor to do it. Any simple labor can do it. And there's only one labor involved in filling these 2 potholes. And we have done this in front of the department people from the PWD Jowai and PMGSY Jowai. Totally, see, we have been supplying this material from the past 2 years. We have been supplying to various departments, Himachal PWD, Uttarakhand PWD, Greater Chennai Corporation, and we have got no such complaint as till now. And we can guarantee you that this pothole which we have filled will last for at least 2 to 3 years under extreme rains, under extreme road conditions. As you can see, the temperature also we can fill the potholes at very ambient temperature. See, today it is very gloomy day and it is very the air is very moist. Still we have got the accurate results. See, bearing all the seasons, we can this is all round. We can work with this all round the year. There is no disregard of what season it is going on.
And even for temperature, places that have mostly face rainy seasons. So in those conditions also, like, you can use this. All you need is a gap of some like 15 or 20 minutes between the rain time, and in those gap time you can just clean up the surface and then pour it within that time, and the road will be ready to use. So that's another plus point for especially for places like Meghalaya or uphills where mostly the potholes are more due to the conditions of the roads and also due to the climatic conditions as well. So in this kind of conditions also mostly it is very difficult to use bitumen or emulsion during the rainy days. So in such conditions, pothole will be very much helpful for the department and also for the people.
Product which we demonstrated today is Verma Industries pot seal. It is a pot seal which we can say is it's a ready mix bituminous premix material for filling of potholes. And you can put it in a simpler way. It is a premix bituminous material which has aggregate and bitumen in it. and the cost is also very effective, which meets all the requirements of PWD. No, it is not very costly. Comparing to the rates which are given in the government of department SOR, the schedule of rates from PWD, we completely meet the requirements of SOR. So the rates keep fluctuating as the bituminous rates and crude oil rates are never static in India. So the rates keep fluctuating. Whenever who needs an order, we'll keep updating them with the rates every 15 days.